This event is a 3-day workshop. We've got people from 11 cities coming to BuroHappold to take part in an exercise looking at the benefits of health and air quality associated with urban climate action. So we structured the event so that day one, they really understand the principles of how we assess the health and air quality benefits of urban climate action. And day two, they get stuck into the analysis to really generate the evidence base to enable their decision makers to act confidently. And then in day three, we move into action planning mode, and we've got some speakers from the Greater London Authority and from C40 and other places showing best practice from the work that they're doing.
So the workshop's a real mix between presentations and a lot of sessions where we work very closely with the cities to run the analysis themselves. And I think that's probably the most important part of the workshop, is it's so hands-on. At the end of the 3 days, all of the cities now have just completed their own analysis. So they're going away from this workshop with results that they can take back to their politicians and their citizens to tell them how the actions that they're proposing are going to help them tackle climate change and air pollution, and how that's going to benefit the health of all of the citizens in their cities.
So we have developed the model here where we put in all our data, and we have worked out that for everybody who lives within the central business district of Auckland City, they will live for an extra 31 days because of the reduction in NO2 from a congestion charge being implemented. When I get back, I'm going to be presenting the ideas to our transport agency. Our transport agency is separate to Auckland Council, but is part of the same entity. I will go back with them and I'll show them the need to actually make these changes and the desire, and we actually now have a monetary value as well as a health value to actually show them, rather than just giving them raw data.
I think two things. One is expert opinion. We have listened to some of the experts who know their topic very well, so we have learned a lot, and we have exchanged views. We have asked them difficult questions. They have asked us also difficult questions. This is one thing, and then second thing, I think, is the networking. Some of the city have gone in an advanced way. I think we got a chance, opportunity to listen to them also.
I think it has been fascinating. There has been a lot of knowledge exchange, great ideas. Particularly what interested me was the idea of having low emission zones within a city, and also just sharing ideas about how to overcome common challenges that we face as cities. So I think being here, sharing ideas with other practitioners from other cities elsewhere have enriched us greatly. We will use the experiences to support our political leadership in their efforts in terms of trying to make meaningful change and ensuring that we can, with the rest of the world, move in the same direction and reduce the effects of climate change on our cities.
So we worked with 9 cities back in November, and we've been following and supporting them since then, and we've had the closeout meetings with them, and the results are incredible. So we're really seeing that the sort of work that we've been doing over the last 3 days bears such fruit and has a massive impact in cities on the ground in the months that follow the workshop. So really looking forward to seeing that happen with this cohort here.